tuning in. If it's your first time here, thank you so much. My name is Chelsea. So today is a wig review. If you're new to my channel, I do vlogs, I review wigs. Today I have a wig here from SHEIN. Let me tell you guys about this wig. My hair, T-part 12 inches pink. Ombre straight bob wig with natural roots. Okay, you guys, if I tell you guys, I've not really tried pink wig before. I think this will be my first time of revealing a pink wig, I think so. By the way, this video is sponsored by SHEIN. SHEIN, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. We always appreciate. All the things of the wig will be on the description box. You guys know how we do it. And go search for wig 11 in SHEIN to find wigs on sale. There are so many wigs on sale. Just go and search for wig 11 on SHEIN, okay, in their website. Search wig 11 to find so many wigs that are on sale. You will see so many of their wigs that are on sales, okay? And the quality, you guys know, it's not today I'll be revealing them. All right guys, let's unbox this. Hey, you see all this here? Okay, you can see order them on SHEIN. Okay, in here there is edge control, there is a wax stick here, there's also a matte band. All these things you can order them from SHEIN. Edge brush and glue, lace glue remover and lace glue. Okay, I think one is okay, both hold and a remover. Okay, a both hold and a remover. I'm going to leave a link to them also on the description box, so you just search that, click on that in case if you want to get this. So let me show you guys the hair. It will be my first time of wearing pink. I've never reviewed a pink wig. Pink a pink wig before. Pink. Okay, they have some cards, you guys know. All these are normal. You guys can feel it. Some people. There is a cat wig also. Yeah. Oh, this is cool. All right, this is the wig. This is giving what it's supposed to give. I'm so excited. I don't know why I am so excited about this wig. Maybe because it's the color. It's the color that is just shocking me. All right, let me remove this. Look at this, and it's so soft. It's T-part, okay? You can see. It's so soft, and this is the inside. It came with combs. You can see the combs and inbuilt adjustable strap, which is this one. So guys, I'm just going to remove this. So guys, this is it. Wow, I love this. You can see the lace in front. Oh, I love this. I love this. I was like, is this going to like be good, the color? But I'm loving it, I'm feeling it. I think this will be my go-to every day now. This is my go-to wig. I love it. Okay. So guys, that is it. It's very beautiful. It's so beautiful and very easy to style. I did not glue it down. You don't even need to glue it down. See, This is what I like. It's giving what it's supposed to be. Alright guys, I will leave the link on my description box. Everything about this wig will be on the description box, so don't hesitate to check it out. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.